What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den, and today we have an absolute banger for you guys to watch. So today, those of you who don't know, we did start our own racing club. It's called Silver Fox Racing Group. If you did not watch the update video, please go watch that. It contains all the information you need to know about that. So anyway, we started this club, and we got a few more followers and a few more got people in the audience. So today we are hosting our first ever Fox Pet Cruise. We got about 5 to 6 other VQ owners coming out, and yeah, I'm gonna be the lead car. Obviously, I got a nice route set up. Basically, we're gonna meet up in this abandoned parking lot, and then we're gonna head over to a lake. There's a parking lot right on the lake, and we'll get some pretty awesome pictures, and that's the plan. So it's gonna be a real fun time. We're gonna meet quite a few people. Hopefully everybody shows up, but I know that a few people are guaranteeing that they're going to show up, so that's pretty awesome. But anyway, man, is it getting cold out here. It's really, man, it sucks. Also, guys, this is the first official video or vlog that I am filming with my new mic. I managed to finally find a shotgun mic for this camera to help reduce the wind noise. I got a wind muff on there and everything, and also it'll give you better sound, better stereo, all that good stuff. And it should just sound better overall, and you won't hear as much noise from this tripod that I have attached to the camera, which can be kind of noisy when I'm moving the camera around and stuff, so that should help with that. But anyway, guys, yeah, so we got a few hours to kill. I'm going to take the G to get washed because it's way too cold to be washing it manually today. And yeah, we'll vlog that, and then later on we're going to go have some fun. So it's Friday, day after Thanksgiving. Hope you all had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I actually did. I ate way too much. I'm probably gonna gain about 5 pounds, which sucks because I'm on a diet right now. I've lost 35 pounds. So yesterday kind of sucked for that, but it is what it is. We'll get back on it this week. So anyway, guys, let's do this. Sit back, relax, enjoy the acid tree, and yeah, that's it. One thing that I really need to address is this piece of shit garage door. This thing has broken about 4 or 5 times in the last year. And it has broken again, and it just did it last night. Look at that. See that? That's not supposed to be like that. Ignore all that shit on the door. That's crap from when we were kids. Look at this cable. We've had so many issues with this cable. It's all wound up. It's all on the front, on the outside of the door. The door amazingly does open. But I did park the G outside overnight last night because I didn't want to risk it getting stuck in here when we're going on the cruise. That would really suck. So yeah, I'm going to have to get this looked at again. We've replaced pretty much everything from the lift spring to the opener. This door is just a piece of shit. We've just had nothing but issues with it, so I gotta get that fixed. But I just figured I'd share that with you guys because it just pisses me off. I also picked this up. It's a suction cup mount for the GoPro, so no more playing around with the adhesive, and we'll get some much better angles with the GoPro shots. Anyway, guys, there's the G outside. I gotta kind of be quiet because my neighbor's outside. I don't want to get him on video, but I did lower the G, and you can see, well, you'll see it more later, obviously, but you can see it looks really, really good. Really good drop, and very good value for the money. I did install it myself. My original intention was to make an installation video, like a tutorial, but it kind of failed because it just ended up being way too much of a pain to actually film. So instead, I'm just going to post a review video on the springs and what I think of them, and I'll include some shots from the installation. But it is what it is. It just kind of sucks. I wanted to make a tutorial, but there's other good tutorials on YouTube for it, so not really too worried about that, but it is what it is. But I know you guys want to hear a cold start of that Motordyne, and believe me, it is a cold start. It was very cold last night, and this thing has been sitting out all night. I know you guys want to hear it, and also we're going to put this new shotgun mic to the test to see how it picks it up. So let's do that. That is loud today. Holy crap. So guys, I really hope this microphone is gonna cut it. It should be much better than the other one. My main focus was the wind noise problem. I kind of did some tests with that, just me blowing on the microphone. and it seems to do a pretty good job. So hopefully it's much better than it was. I mean, obviously there's always going to be some, but it just, as long as it's not blowing your eardrums out, is what I'm really going for. Also hope the exhaust sounds a little bit better in video now. This microphone does appear to pick up a little bit more bass and stereo sound, so really awesome with that, but you really don't get to experience this exhaust unless you hear it in person. It's just how it is. Anyway, we are gonna head to the car wash, get this thing washed. It doesn't really need it, but we'll give it a quick spiff up and get the wheels clean, because the wheels need to be clean. It is just way too damn cold to be washing this thing manually today. So, and then we'll do that, come back, we'll have some time to kill, and then we're gonna head out to the starting point, and we're gonna wait for everyone to show up, and hopefully everybody shows up, but I know a few people will definitely show up. They have guaranteed me that they're gonna show up, so let's do it.
That's how it goes in Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. I can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. I can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
Alright guys, it is hours later. I already started editing the video actually, so that's cool. It is 2:30. We are going to head out. Apparently someone is already there, and he lives kind of far away, so I'm going to go up there and meet him kind of early. And yeah, we're going to get started. I got my GoPro, got this camera, and hopefully it'll be a fun time. Oh, we know it'll be a fun time. Alright, we just got here. I'm here early, so everybody can just show up and see me here, so that'd be cool. So we're here, not too sure what's going on here. We got the friggin' lifted truck and a Jeep parked there. I don't know what they're doing. They were here when I got here. They do have my GoPro. We'll be getting some better shots with that than last time, and we won't have to play around with adhesive, which is nice. And yeah, so wait for everyone to get here, and yeah, go from there. We are out here. We got mine. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5G so far. We might be having one more show up. Not too sure about that just yet, but real good turnout, real awesome. And this dude drove all the way from West Chicago to come join us. Check out his Instagram right here. My guy.
In my mind, missing the fights. I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more time.
So in total, we had 5 people show up. Look at this. Pretty good turnout if you ask me. So we are gonna head out of here, head over to our spot where we take the pictures, and acid tree will ensue. just arrived at the location. Hell yeah. Make some great pictures.
Should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
We are out here at the spot. Sun's going down. Got some pretty good pictures. And there it is. Hopefully the GoPro footage turned out good. And a shout out to all my guys for coming out. Real fun time. And we'll definitely be doing it again. But the shit weather's coming, so we'll have to see how it is. But yeah, real awesome time. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Fox Pack today. Don't forget to check out our new racing club on Instagram at SellerFox Racing Group. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SellerFox G37. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only illegal if you get caught. Stay foxy.